Hi there, it's Mike Wilkinson. I look after product marketing at Akixi. My three predictions for next year. First one, integration. I think we're going to see a lot more integration between UC systems and the underlying business management or CRM systems. That's going to help improve customer experience. Second thing, I think we're going to see a lot more discovery around AI-based use cases. Many will fail. A few will definitely succeed, and we're going to see more and more monetization around that. And then thirdly, I think we're going to see a lot more vertical specialization within UC. So you're going to see various different systems have more tailoring, more flexibility in them to allow them to fit into various different vertical use cases. That's it. My big three: integration, AI discovery, and vertical use cases. Thank you.
So you want my UCaaS prediction for 2025? I'll give you two things that I think will happen. One, generative AI will become table stakes for every major vendor. Things like meeting summaries, email composition, and chat compose will all be staples of UCaaS. Also, translation and transcription Gen AI features won't be nice to haves. They will be part of every vendor's offerings. Various versions of ChatGPT will be a feature that is expected. So I think Gen AI becomes a commodity. Agentic AI will be the rage, taking AI beyond just generating content. That's so 2024. Vendors will start unveiling AI that actually does the mundane tasks for you. For example, you're in a chat channel with 10 people and someone says, "We need a meeting to discuss all this stuff." Instead of checking 10 people's calendars to find an open slot, then scheduling the meeting and creating an agenda, an agentic AI bot will be able to summarize the chat topic, find an open slot for everyone, create the agenda, and then send out the meeting, saving me countless minutes doing all this manually. So there you have it. Agentic AI will be the new kid on the block. I guess next December, we can see how right or wrong I was. I'm Patrick Kelly, the Tattooed Nerd.
2025 is just around the corner. Let's talk about the top 3 applications that will define unified communications. First, AI-driven meeting assistants like Microsoft Copilot will change our workflows. These assistants rely on high-quality audio for real-time transcriptions, translations, and scheduling to enhance productivity. Second, by 2025, 32 million Americans will work remotely or in a hybrid mode. This means meeting will take place anywhere, at home, in the car, or in noisy, busy spaces. With top-tier audio technology, your voice will always be clear and professional, regardless of the environment. Third, the convergence of UC with contact centers will bring real-time translations to any language, AI sentiment analysis, and voice-enhancing technology for agents. All of these innovations will hinge on impeccable audio quality. So what's the common and essential feature here? Unparalleled audio technology. On the most demanding stages, audio professionals choose Shure. The same perfectionism is now brought to UC collaboration, positioning Shure to power these applications in 2025.
Workplace communications have come a long way. Legacy platforms ruled for years until WhatsApp burst in through the back door, causing chaos. Under pressure from regulators, banks have already turned what they call off-channel comms into governed compliant solutions. And in 2025, we believe that companies everywhere will start to adopt consumer messaging apps. Instead of turning a blind eye to employee use of WhatsApp, iMessage, and the like, they'll adopt these channels by governing them. I'm talking enterprise grade. These channels will integrate directly with existing collab platforms like Teams. DLP rules and granular permissions will define who can use which channel and in what way. Cybersecurity solutions will block threats. Contact management via CRMs, workflow automations, Gen AI driving insights and productivity. Sky's the limit. The impact of governed communications, it's about connection. By integrating intuitive channels into the workplace, we'll build stronger relationships, driving trust and collaboration. In 2025, people and businesses will be closer than ever. Buckle up.
Hi there, my name's John Christian from Akixi, and my big prediction for UC for 2025 is that UCaaS platforms are going to become more tightly integrated with CRM and AI. I think 2025 is going to continue to be all about customer experience, but I think 3 of the big drivers for this change is going to be around the continued sort of rapid move to distributed workforces, which creates needs for unified, not siloed, platforms that simplify tech stacks that boost productivity. think secondly, customers expect fast, personalized interaction nowadays, and businesses are going to have to react to that if they want to continue to be relevant in the hyper-competitive world that we live in. And finally, AI has matured now to a point where it can reliably, deeply analyze conversational data, and it can provide real-time, predictive insights that are going to impact that customer experience. I think ultimately, where we've gotten to now is this isn't about the technology. This is about how do we transform businesses' ability to connect, to communicate, and to grow. Thank you.
Hey, this is Tyler Troutman with Sure's Strategic Market Development Team. So what's going to be the big trend in UC for 2025? Well, I believe it's going to be enhancing systems for AI productivity tools like Microsoft Copilot. And what better place to start than audio? We know that fantastic audio not only makes a conference space better, not only makes the experience on the far end for those remote employees better as we're coming back to office, but it also makes those productivity tools like Microsoft Copilot perform at their very best. We know that equitable audio pickup in the room can lead to better transcriptions and better notes for after the call actions that need to happen. And as I mentioned, with back to office happening, we want to make sure those remote employees are having the most seamless, best experience with their coworkers in that conference space. And so that's what I really think is going to be a focus on audio and making sure that audio sounds fantastic in all the conference spaces for all the employees and those productivity tools. So that is my big prediction for 2025. Thanks.